In this video, Cresco International will show how organizations in the medical care industry can determine the probability that a patient will come back after leaving the medical care facility, using IBM SPSS Modeler, an intelligent way to make key predictions. Using IBM SPSS Modeler, we have a data set that contains detailed information about patients, including patients' demographic information, hospital records, including the name of the hospital, sickness, doctor, length of stay, total spending, self-pay amount, and so on. Finally, we set the target metric at readmitted. We now create a new stream in IBM SPSS Modeler. Then, under the Sources tab, we choose Excel as source file type. After specifying the location of that file, SPSS Modeler previews the file in case there are any mistakes in the file track or errors with the file itself. IBM SPSS Modeler provides a lot of visualizations that allow us to look into the relationship of data. Moving to the Graphs tab and double-clicking on Web, we can now specify the target field to be readmitted. In the web chart, the deeper color lines indicate a stronger relationship. We can apply filters to further understand these relationships. In addition to visualization, IBM SPSS Modeler also provides detailed statistic calculation of the dataset. Moving to the Output tab and double-clicking on Data Audit, it now shows the detailed statistic summary of each field, including min, max, mean, and standard deviation. After we look into the data, we now want to know the relationship between readmitted and other metrics. Next, we need to specify the variable role. Switching to the tab, we double-click on the Type node. IBM SPSS Modeler allows you to specify the variable measurement type and the role. Here we change the role of patient IDs to record ID, readmitted as target, and contact information as none. Click OK, then use other variables as input variables to build the model. Moving to the Modeling tab, IBM SPSS Modeler provides a lot of built-in statistic models to use, and automatic modeling functions so that you don't have to specify the model to use. IBM SPSS Modeler will provide the top 3 accurate models and results. Double-click on the Results node. We can see that the 3 most accurate models are listed here. The overall accuracy of all 3 models is very high. Let's click on the second one to check the detailed variable impact. Moving to the Advanced Results panel, we can now see how those metrics could have impacted on patient return decisions. Now that we have the model and detail insights, we need to make some predictions about current patients. We now upload another data set that contains our current patient's data. Then double-click the Model node from the Model tab in the upper right area. Moving to the Output tab, choosing Table node, we now see the predictive probability of whether the patient will return to the medical facility again. Finally, this data set can be exported into many formats. Here we choose the Excel format as an example. With minimum time training and technique required, predictive analytics can be done easily by business users. To see how your organization can benefit from IBM SPSS Modeler, contact Cresco today at info@crescointl.com, visit crescointl.com, or call 844-6-CRESCO.